All right, guys, let's get down to it and help make you some money because that's what we're here for. I hope you guys are buying these more conservative ideas. You ripped me a little bit at the beginning of the show for too many high flyers. I've been giving you these, and they're mostly doing extraordinarily well. Check out Old Dominion, ODFL. And I got to tell you, it is an old-looking company. You ever see those trucks on the road? Oh, I just saw one the other day. It looks so, beaten down. But that's why I love it. They're just all about hauling things. A great company, great execution. They've beaten the street each of the last 4 quarters you go back. Right now, fiscal year 16 earnings have been going through the roof. Here's a good thing I really love about them. They're going to grow over the next 5 years almost twice the rate of the overall industry. In fact, when they just posted their earnings, the CEO pointed out a couple of things here. 2 things I want you to see. He talked about their performance for the quarter, and he also talked about increased market share. Anytime you see a CEO talk about that, it is so important. January 5th, they raised their rates, so they have pricing power. They're taking market share. Operating margins, 15.6% from 13%. Net margins, 9.7% from 8%. This is a stock that if you've been in from 2000, it's gone almost virtually up. So you may feel like you're chasing it, but that's a 14-year period. Buy it and hold it for another 14. I really think you'll make a ton of money. Speaking of which, their long-term, their less than ton rates have gone up too, Matt.
I own this stock right now. I'm not a big position, but I have a small position in it. But I'm a bit troubled with the action as of late because it's been able to break to that new all-time high when the rest of the market has. So I don't know if I would jump in today. We are holding. I believe in the long term. I think it will eventually break to that high, but I'm just a bit concerned in the near term.
You look like a big truck girl right there.
I love these trucks. And this is the LTL, less than truckload carrier. What I like here is when you talk about the last quarter, we're talking 48% increase in net income. We're talking for the year 19.3% increase in revenue. These are like hot NASDAQ tech kind of numbers, but you have it with a dividend yielding company that really moves stuff.
When I first started, I covered the trucking industry, and it was so frustrating because you go to the website, nothing. I mean, you want to oh my, whatever the minimum was. Right. They're like, I ain't got no time to be dealing with that highfalutin New York City and stuff.
Good forward PE on Old Dominion versus the trailing, and hey, transportation costs on the downward, right? So that's always good for them going forward, and a lot of stuff's moving in this economy.
Scottie?
Well, no, I completely agree. But I think you're right. They do need to sit there and reinvest in themselves. You're right. They do have the oldest trucks on the lines that are out there. And nobody wants to have a trail of rust coming behind them.
All right, guys, let's leave it there. Hey.